I had to make this video before Tuesday, September next week, which is on 30th. As you can see that they've stated that apply before Tuesday, September. So I had to make this video to show you what to do and to show you the requirements that you'll need. Okay, I have like 800 subscribers here. I know 200 people will be lucky only if you follow what I tell you to do. Okay, so first thing first, you'll need to have fools. Okay, you'll ask, where do I get those? Check them out on our website. 2, documents also available on our website. And 3, you need to have a proxy. And 4, a Stripe account for payments. Yeah, that's correct. So get those requirements first, and then you'll be among these 200 people that will be selected. Welcome back, guys, and let me just give you some tips first before we continue. When making the application, let's say you're using a proxy, a US proxy, and depending with where you are making the application depends. It can be anywhere in Africa, Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, Nigeria, whichever country. I need you to keep this in mind whenever you're making the applications. Make your application when it's daytime in the US. All right. Okay, keep that in mind. Make the application when it's daytime. So if just you can search it online or see the what do they call it, the world clock. Yeah, you go check the time from different countries, and you'll know when to make the application. But when it's daytime in the US, that's the perfect time to make the applications. Another thing, when making the proxy, when creating the CV, make sure you have these responsibilities. Okay, make sure to add these responsibilities and the skills. Responsibility and the skills. So what you do, you just give ChatGPT to include all this. This is the job description. Give it to ChatGPT, and then tell it to include everything in this job description, and then it will tailor your CV perfect for this job. Okay, and then after that, you can see you'll work up to 40 hours per week, which means if you're getting paid $50 per hour and you've been given a contract for 40 hours per week, how much is that? You can do the math, almost 2,000 USD per week, okay, with $50 per hour. And you can see that rolling start dates set up typically within 1 to 2 days after approval. After you've been approved, you'll start working within 1 or 2 days. So you see, it's a good job. Make as many applications as you can, but after that, go make an proxy. Make sure to use a proxy. Okay, make sure to use a proxy, and then after that, come click on apply. And then, as you can see, here's the assessment. You need to do this assessment before submitting, but for the interview is already done because I already did an interview. So the thing is that once you do one interview, let's say it's for this role, okay? Once you do the interview, the other applications will be much easier. So what you need to do, make sure this one interview is good enough and you did it well, and everything was fine, so that whenever you're going to make some other applications like this one from the same role, it will be just easy for you. You just come do the assessment, and the assessment is so easy because you'll use ChatGPT. Okay, very easy. You'll use ChatGPT. It will give you answers for this assessment, So this one is a internet browsing prompt assessment. So you'll read out everything first, and then you'll submit now your prompt below. Okay, so here it is. You don't need to read everything. ChatGPT will do that for you. Copy everything from this part, even including the title, internet browsing prompt assessment. So let me just do it with you. And then one of you guys was asking, how do I split the screen? So let me just show you. So this is your browser, right? You'll come to this top right corner, and you just select, you just put your cursor, your mouse here. You see this this small not rectangle, square. Just hold it there, and then it will give you this this part. You're just going to choose, like, it depends if you want to use to split the screen into 3, you just do it that way. If you want to split the screen into 4, you just, like, it's the same. Okay, and if you want to split the screen, you use this screen for the job and this screen for ChatGPT. You just click this one, and then you just split the other one for ChatGPT. Okay, so you'll have 2 screens like that, and then you just open a new chat, copy everything on this section, and then you can also add the question also. Copy it, then paste it here, and here is everything. Just like that, and then click OK. And just like that, you can see that here's the prompt. You just have to copy it, then come paste it here, and then paste enlarge, and then submit. And you can see your application has been submitted. You'll hear back within 4 weeks of starting your application. So it's just like that, super easy. Make as many applications and then try your luck. So I'll see you in the next video, and I hope you all the best.